Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the tutorial of the trick that I did in the last video, so here it is. Alright guys, so this is the tutorial. For this trick, you will need one thing, that is one card from another deck of the same brand but a different color. For example, I'm using a golden bicycle deck here and it's all gold, but I've taken one card from a silver bicycle deck, that is the 4 of spades. It can be any card of your choice. It just has to be a duplicate of the one in the gold deck. So, and here's how you're going to put it. You're going to put the silver card on the bottom of the deck like this, and on top of that you're going to put the golden card. So now you're all good to go. So now first of all you're going to do a Hindu shuffle, which I've done a tutorial in one of my previous videos. You can go check that out. So once you've done a Hindu shuffle, it's essentially a force. You have a spectator, ask them to say stop. They say stop here, and you say all right. So it's basically that you're picking off cards from the top, but as you're doing it very fast, it looks like you're just taking off random cards. And when they say stop, you're just showing them the 4 of spades, and this is the golden 4 of spades. Alright, so they say alright, stop. So you say alright, so you've selected the 4 of spades. You take the 4 of spades out, you show it to them, and you set it aside. But keep in mind that this 4 of spades has to stay on the bottom. So the packet in your right hand goes on the bottom, and on top of that you put the random packet. And then you say alright, so you've memorized that card, and then you can put the card anywhere in the deck you want. It isn't required anymore. Now you ask them that alright, I'm going to go through the deck and you're going to have to select a card. Let's say they select this card, and it is the 10 of hearts. You say alright, so this is the 10 of hearts. So you don't want to be looking at this card, but I'm looking at it for tutorial purposes. So this 10 of hearts has to go on the bottom of the 4 of spades. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to split off the top packet. You're going to put the 10 of hearts on the top packet, and then put the 4 of spades on top, the silver 4 of spades. Alright, so to the spectator it looks like you're just keeping the 10 of hearts anywhere in the deck. So you keep it like that, and that's it, that's done. So now you say, I'll snap my fingers, wave my hand, and when I go through the deck, there should be one silver card, and this is actually the 4 of spades, and underneath that the 10 of hearts. Alright guys, so now you'll start on a brief recap of the trick of what we did, and while you're doing that you'll get a break under the 10 of hearts, and prepare for a double lift. So you'll say alright, so here's what we did. So firstly, I made you take out a card, that was the 4 of spades, which we put it back, and then you took out another card, that was the 10 of hearts. And now when I snapped my fingers, we see a silver card, and it's not just any card. You flip the double lift, it's the 10 of hearts, and then you flip it back over, and then you set the silver card, which is actually the 4 of spades, aside, and then you keep the deck on top. We don't need the deck anymore. And then you say, but not only that, and do you remember the first card that you chose, the 4 of spades? Well, I snap my finger, wave my hand, and it magically turns into the 4 of spades. So that was the tutorial guys. I hope you enjoyed this trick, and that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye and take care.